welcome to my channel. If it is your first time, what's up? What's happening? How's it going? If you're new here, by the way, or if you are already a part of my YouTube family, a very lovely welcome to you. Please remember that God will never leave you nor forsake you. Today I am here with an update with this hair. If you guys didn't see the video on how I installed it, I suggest you go and take a look. I will click it. I will leave it in the links up here so you guys can click on the card and then go watch it, and leave a like and a comment, and yeah, subscribe if you haven't done so already. So the hair that I use, it's a T.B.L braid. The hair is used for braiding hair, and I tried it. This is what the texture looks like. Doesn't look shiny. I think it's a nice decent texture, and by the way, it comes pre-feathered and I didn't have to cut the hair. I used a 20-inch at the back. Like, I didn't have to cut it to install it, but like after I installed it, if you guys did watch the previous video, then after I installed it, I kind of razored it down a bit, and hence the reason I have these little hair going on like that. I'm going to show you guys how I care for this hair. I really am okay with it. I haven't found any problems. Like, it doesn't shed. It brushes out very easily. I went to bed with these foam rods, and what I did, I think I'm going to take out the back first. I think I installed 6 of them. I have not done this on this hair before, so I thought I'd do something a little bit different. Oh, hello. Hi. Ooh, this is nice. So I didn't apply any heat to this. The only time I'd actually applied heat is in the previous video that I showed you guys when the ends of the hair was a bit matted. I went through it with the straightener. But to set this, all I did was I used Cream of Nature, with argan oil, the styling foam. I used honestly a pea-sized amount of this, and I just kind of rubbed it on the hair. The hair wasn't soaking wet. It just made it just a little bit, like a tad bit, and brushed it out, and then took sections and wind it up, and look at that. Oh goodness, can you guys see this? Gotta take this in. Wow, do you? Oh, really? This hair did not cut. Are you kidding me? Okay. Okay. Yes. Okay. Yes. 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 So what I did is I did from the tip and I did it upward. But look at this, y'all. Guys. Guys. This is my $4 hair. What? 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 Ah, let me take out the rest of these. Oh my gosh. It worked. It worked. It worked. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. It worked. The Gorilla Joe liked this guy a lot. It's in a bun right now. I'm going to show you guys what it looks like. Yeah, so it's the back. But what I did, if you can see, I have the part this way. Before I had it, it was like a center part, and I just decided, oh, I'm just gonna switch it up. That's why when you install, or if you do crochet braids, it's good to, you know, give it that versatility so you can rock it this way or whatever. So just give it a couple selections as to how you'd like to wear it. If you like to wear it in the middle and then maybe to the side, or, you know, just a suggestion. So I'm just gonna unwind this. See? Not bad. And this would be another style, you know. So say for example, tonight, say you don't want to give it curls, you don't want to put in the wand curls, or you don't want to put it in hot water. I know I didn't hot water set this hair. What you can do is you just braid it up, brush it out, okay, braid it up, and in the morning you take it out and you're good. So it's just a little tip for you guys. So definitely can get away with using the straightener, like if you don't like how the curls are looking. Show you again, and I think I have this at 140, 160. I'm just gonna pull it to the side as I go. Look at that. Look at that. Do you see that? Oh, did you see that? Look at that. Okay, let's try it again. Just in case y'all missed it. Let me demonstrate again, okay? I demonstrate for you. Sorry, I didn't hear you. What? What was that? What? What? Oh, that I can take like a $5 hair and make it look like what? Some Peruvian, some Brazilian. Is that what you're saying? Yes, I know. Yeah, thank you. Oh, thank you. You're so sweet. Thanks. But look at this. Are you seeing this? Let me give you guys a little screenshot here. Do you see that? Oh, let me just flip this side too. I'm sorry, what? Yes. Oh my gosh, I am feeling this. I don't know. It's so hard. You see, the thing is, it's so hard because I like to try different types of hair. So it's like, this is good, you know? But then I try something else. I'm like, oh my gosh, that's good too. Oh my goodness, you know? But I like to switch it up because at the end of the day, it's like, yo, I'm growing this natural beauty underneath, so why not just enjoy the protective styles? But guys, if you're look at that. Look, do you see that? The only thing I would have done differently though is the spacing. Like, I would have installed some more up top there, if you guys can see that. Right? But I like it. I like it. Yes. I like it. So, there you go. What I would recommend though, like if you have maybe a wand curl that goes low, like it starts off at like 100 and something, it would be great to use it to get the curls. If you know how to use the straightener to curl the hair, then that'd be great. But I think this works out great. If you try this hair, then this is another option, right? Sass up your crochet braids, right? So guys, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget, smash that subscribe button. I'd really appreciate your support. And I hope you'll stop by for my next video. Say bye. Well, kisses. Good girl.